Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. What we're going to be doing today is building a mining frame out of very cheap materials. I have a roll of closed cell foam that we're going to use to rest the GPUs on. The rest of the whole frame is going to be made out of 2x2 wood. I have 5.5 feet of a leftover one, and then I bought two 8-foot lengths. These 8-foot lengths at Home Depot are about $5.50 Canadian. So pretty cheap here. We're probably going to be able to get away with the scrap one plus one more, but if you don't have any laying around, you're gonna have to buy two. We're also going to be using plywood. I used this for my last mining rig as well for the base, but it was really thin, so we're going to double it up this time. This is our parts list right here. I wrote it all down. 3 lengths that are 600 millimeters a piece. I need 2 posts at 10 inches, 2 posts at 14.5 inches, 2 posts at 3 inches, and then the base is 27.25 inches by 14 inches, and I'm doubling that up. So I'll cut one, mark out the second one, and go from there. So that's it. I'll get back to you here once I have cut all the wood, and we'll see where we're at. Hey everyone, we're done now here cutting this stuff. So we've got 3 lengths of 600 millimeters, 2 lengths of 10 inch, 2 lengths of 14.5, 2 lengths of 3. We'll cut the plywood later. So I'm gonna start building. I will slow the video back down once we have something built here. Let's get started. So I just wanted to go over a few things here. I guess the biggest important thing I could say is that you really got to make sure all of your angles are 90 degrees. I use this square for that, but it doesn't always work. If you don't, you run into situations like this, where you can see the gap here is larger than the gap here, things like that. They're very minor, and these are things that you can live with. Is it perfect? No. Is it going to hold 6 or 8 GPUs? Definitely yes. So I don't really care. I see people building cases and selling them on online classifieds, like here we use Kijiji, but probably a lot of you guys use Craigslist. I see people trying to sell them, a mining frame for $280. That's a ridiculous amount of money for something that does not give you anything. This just holds your asset. This does not have to be perfect, and this one certainly isn't. I've definitely made better things before and better quality products. This is pretty much the frame built and ready to go. Now all we're gonna do is cut our plywood. After that, I will just give it a shot of black paint. Anyways, we'll get back to it. I'll cut up this plywood, put it all together, let you guys see it again before we paint it, and then I'll show it to you after it's painted as well. So let's carry on. Okay, so we're back here, and this thing is structurally complete, very stable. Not gonna have any issues holding any GPUs. You can see the base is bigger than it needs to be. I have some extension here for the video cards to hang over, and then some extra room here, just so I never put it right up against a wall, because I do want the fans here able to pull in air. So the next thing is gonna be painting. I'll just throw some black on it, and yeah, we'll do that right away and see what it looks like. We'll get to that and back in a bit. All right, we are back here. Paint is on. Really, it's just one sparse coat of black. I'm gonna wait till the paint dries, and then we'll get a spare GPU that I have, put a GPU in here and see how many layers of foam. I'm not gonna really put that on video. You guys can figure that one out. It's like a slight height adjustment you can play with, because you know, this isn't actually adjustable. Anyways, this is pretty much it. Drop a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. This is pretty straightforward stuff. If you got some, you know, basic garage skills and have a few power tools and that type of thing. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.